This one is fun. Again, when you're on the test, you will be given the formulas. So I'm going to give you the formula for a sphere. Volume equals 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And the volume, and remember your radius is what you use for a sphere. And then your cylinder is volume equals pi r squared h. So this time they gave you the radius. You don't have to take anything in half. So I'm just going to compare the sphere. Volume equals 4 pi radius cubed. So 6 cubed over 3. Notice your answers are all in pi, so we'll leave pi in the problem this time. So 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6, which gives you 216. I'll show my steps for this. So 4 times pi times 216 over 3. So multiply your 216 times 4, which gives you 864 pi over 3. Divide your 864 by 3, leave your pi, so you get volume is 288 pi. That is for the sphere. For the cylinder, it says a radius of 6 inches and a height of 6 inches. So your volume is pi radius squared times height. So volume is pi times 36 times 6, which is volume of 216. 36 times 6 gives you 216 pi. So it says, what is the difference between the two volumes? So we want to subtract the bigger one minus the littler one. So notice you actually see 216 and 288 there right now. Take them away. Those are the volumes of the actual shapes. We want the difference between the two shapes. So 288 pi minus 216 pi. So quick calculation gives you 72 pi is the difference.